Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the incredibly useful MightyCall, the all-new app that provides an easier way to make business calls, making your life that much easier. With MightyCall, you can create and use your very own phone number to share with clients and even make unlimited calls and text. Explore the many features of MightyCall in this sponsored video and discover how to revolutionize the way you communicate with your coworkers. You can download MightyCall today using the link on the screen or in the description. Let's take a closer look. The beauty of this app is the complete control that you have over your MightyCall account, contacts, and all of the content you decide to share with others. Start off by creating an account for a small monthly subscription and then selecting your new phone number to be associated with the app. By entering your location and area code, MightyCall will automatically provide you with a corresponding phone number. You can choose from a provided list of available numbers, which is updated consistently for your convenience. Once you've selected a phone number, set your call forwarding rules and add your team. You can then start working from your desktop or the mobile app. No matter where you are, you'll be alerted to new messages, calls, and you can even receive and listen to voicemails wherever and whenever you like. With no contracts, you can create and cancel your service at any time, including changes to your phone number. Call and send text to all of your favorite contacts as much as you like. By allowing you to control what you send and how you send it, MightyCall makes communication incredibly easier and that much cheaper. MightyCall also has tons of additional features to make your experience easy and efficient. By syncing your contacts with the app, you can automatically select who you want to call or text without having to manually type in their phone number. You can also send your new number to all of your contacts in order to make sure they know how to contact you. If you're working on business calls, you can even reassign tasks to other staff members and view all of your customer requests in a single activity queue. In addition, MightyCall allows you to change your call status from available to do not disturb so people will know when it's a good time to reach you. You'll also be able to block unwanted callers and leave comments on contacts and communication history. With so many valuable uses, MightyCall has something for everyone and is the perfect way to stay completely connected. MightyCall is a unique and useful app that is bound to make all of your communication needs so much easier. With unlimited calls and texts to clients and coworkers, as well as completely customizable account features, MightyCall is an extremely valuable and handy tool for whatever you need to accomplish. Be sure not to miss out on this amazing app and download MightyCall today using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy!